Chapter 7. How the Seasons Got Their Share. It was a hot afternoon and there was a power cut. The children wiped their foreheads and complained.
How do you stay without electricity, Ajja? In Mumbai, in our apartment, if ever the electricity goes off, the generator comes on automatically. We don't even know that the power has gone.
All right. I'll show you a place which is as cool as an AC room, and it stays that way without any electricity.
Aja walked out in the garden and went to the old neem tree. He told the children to spread their mats under the tree and lie down. It was really cool under the tree. This was so much more fun than lying in a closed room. Aja too sat on an old easy chair.
This is why I love summer. Which seasons do you like, children?
I also love summer because there is no school and we can eat ice cream and mangoes and go swimming. I don't like summer. I like winter. You can wear colorful sweaters and eat different kinds of fruit. I like to be warm and cozy at home in winter. You can drink hot soup and hot milk.
I don't like winter. I prefer the rainy season. It is so nice when it rains and all the trees look so fresh and happy.
What about you, Raghu? Why are you so silent?
I like all the seasons, but you and Ajji should be there with us.
Aja smiled.
Well, each season has its own beauty, my children. We could not do without even one.
How is that?
Okay, I'll tell you a story about the time when the seasons started fighting with one another.
Oh yes, please tell us the story.
God filled the earth with humans, animals, trees and seas, and it looked wonderful. Then he called the 6 brothers, day, night, summer, winter, monsoon and wind, and said, "Go down to earth and help the creatures to grow food and live comfortably. I have divided time into 24 hours and 365 days. Share this time among yourselves so that people on earth get all they need." The brothers nodded their heads, but when God turned his back, they started quarreling. Day and night decided that each of them would get 24 hours. Summer was the eldest of all the seasons, so he said, "I'll be on earth for 365 days first." Rain said, "If I don't appear, the water on earth will disappear, so I'll come next." Now winter said, "After the rains, I help trees to flower. I'll come in the 3rd year." Poor wind was the youngest, so he got the last year. So, my dear children, life started on earth. For 24 hours there was day, then 24 hours of night. Summer continued for 1 whole year. In the beginning, the heat helped the crops to grow, but soon it became too hot. All the water dried up and everyone was uncomfortable. The people on earth begged summer to stop and he had to leave before his year finished. Then it was the turn of rain. When he started pouring down, everyone was happy, but soon the lakes, ponds, rivers and oceans all started overflowing. The crops were destroyed and there was nothing to eat. When people prayed for the rain to stop, he had to step aside and make way for winter. The people greeted winter happily, but then they began to fall sick. The plants started dying because they didn't get enough sunshine. "Stop," said the people, and winter had to stop. Now it was the turn of wind. Within a few days, his loud, noisy manner scared the people. They couldn't step out anywhere. Trees were uprooted, roofs of houses were blown away, and there was great confusion. The brothers realized that what they had done would displease God. They decided to share 1 year amongst each other, but again, Wind, who was the youngest, was forgotten. In the summer, people sowed their crops and waited for the rains. Rain came with a lot of water, but without the help of the wind. It did not rain everywhere equally. Some places got heavy rainfall and other parts none at all. Everyone realized that wind was as important. They allowed wind to blow all through the year. So in summer, he blew and helped to reduce the heat. During the rains, he blew the clouds from one place to another and took rain water everywhere. Winters became even colder because of the cold wind. Day and night too learned from their brothers and divided 24 hours equally. So one half was day and the other half was night. Now everyone on earth was happy and the 6 brothers learned to share their time.
The electricity is back. You can come inside now. But the children were happy to remain outside and enjoy the breeze.